Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5904 Pickerel Point with beautiful Honeoye Lake.
This is an amazing, picture-perfect Honeoye Lakeview home.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This is spectacular water view living, featuring a vaulted ceiling great room with a wall of windows, gas fireplace, custom built-in cabinetry, open to a designer eat-in cook's kitchen with cathedral ceilings with skylights, all with custom cabinetry and deck access. The first floor has 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a laundry, including this water view owner suite with a walk-in closet, a vaulted ceiling with skylights, and a wall of windows. What a great way to enjoy Lakeview living! This home also features an amazing lower-level guest suite with a living area, an office or potential bedroom, plus a second kitchen and a full bathroom. What great additional space for your family and guests!
Enjoy scenic nature and lake views from this expansive wraparound deck with multiple entertaining areas.
This Lakeview home is situated on a rare private lot at the end of Pickerel Point, a private drive on the west side of beautiful Honeoye Lake. A great place to live, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Enjoy lake access at nearby beautiful Sandy Bottom Park. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua and the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Honeoye Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5904 Pickerel Point with Honeoye Lake views.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!